in the middle of the stage. It's thinking.
Here we have around about a 4.5 diameter whoopee sling, and this whoopee sling is a little bit too short for what we need today. So we're going to use some Samson 916 stable braid rope to connect the porta wrap to this tree, and we'll show you how to do that. To join the Samson rope to the porta wrap, we've used a figure of 8 here, and then we'll show you how to attach that to the tree. And so that's why we actually use a porta wrap and rigging, so we can protect things like irrigation systems and other things that are underneath the trees that we're removing. We've got about 10 metres of Samson rope here, which is going to be plenty for what we need. We're going to use our timber hitch, and that's going to secure the porta wrap to the base of the tree. This limb here is definitely strong enough to use as a rigging point. We're just going to use a CMI block here attached to another adjustable sling, and that'll be used throughout the dismantle of this tree. The reason we're dismantling this tree, by the way, is because probably about 10 years ago somebody had done some shocking tree work. Its strength has been compromised. The ants are actually boring the whole interior of this tree out, making it very unsafe. There was a walkway just underneath this tree, so safety first when it comes to people walking around or near trees like this. More 916 Samson rope here, into the block, into the porta wrap. We'll swing some big limbs. Very exciting work. So as you can see here, the porta wrap, the figure of 8 attachment, and then the timber hitch attachment to the tree works quite well. Another good one to remember, always tie a knot in the rope so it doesn't go back up through the block.